Here your account has been created. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing fine. So today we'll be learning about how to create a TikTok account using a Gmail account or Google account. So first of all, we will need an app. We can make a TikTok account using the browser, but it will be more easier to make a TikTok account using the TikTok app instead of using any browsers. So to get a TikTok account, first you need to go at your app store or your Play Store according to the device you are using. So right now I'm using the Android, so I'll go to my Play Store first. And if you are using an iOS, you can go to the App Store. So let's go to Play Store. We are not going to use TikTok Lite, so I'm just going to search TikTok, and here it is. So I'm just going to click on install. So it's installing. It's gonna take a little time. As you can see, the TikTok app has been installed. So just click on open now. Click on open. Videos to make your day. TikTok. Just click on agree and continue, because if you don't click on this, you can't go forward. So just click on this, agree and continue. So choose your interests, get better video recommendations. You can either just simply skip it, or you can choose whatever videos you want to see on your wall. So I'm just going to choose 2 or 3. You can choose all of them, or you can choose 1, 2, whatever you want, or either you can just skip it. So for now I'm just going to skip. No, I'm just going to like travel, food, outdoor, science and education, gaming. So I'm just going to click these 5 and okay 6. Then I'm just going to click on next, or you can just skip it as said earlier. So I'm just going to click on next. Now you just need to swipe up and start watching, or just you can click on start watching. So here are these videos, they are showing me, right? So these are all the videos. So now what you need to do is create your own account. So just click on profile over here. This, as you can see in the lower right end, right? Click on profile. It will show you an icon that says sign up. So just click on this red icon, sign up. It has 4 options to sign up for TikTok. First option is use phone or email. The second option is continue with Facebook. Third option is continue with Google. And fourth option is continue with Twitter. In this video, we will learn how to make a TikTok account continuing with Google, or let's say Gmail, right? So if you don't have a Gmail account, so you can just go click on the icon appearing just above this video and know how to create a Gmail account for free, right? And you don't need any phone number for that. So you can click that link over this video and go and see. And if you have Facebook, you can just click on continue with Facebook. So right now I'm just going to continue with Google, because I don't want my Facebook to be linked with TikTok, right? So I'm just going to click continue with Google. I just clicked on continue with Google, and it will show the list of Gmail accounts in your phone. If you have only one, it's all right, and if you have many, it's also all right. You can just click on whatever Gmail you want your TikTok account to be connected with. So I'm going to click on this. After clicking on your Gmail account, it will ask you when's your birthday, and if you have clicked continue with Facebook, it will show you the same option. So I'm just going to click on my birthday. I'll just choose 1990 November 1. I'm just going to do January 1. I'll go with this so that I can remember in future, right? So I'm just going to click on next. So you can just click on next now. After it's done, it will ask you to put your username. It is suggesting me a username over here, but I'm not going to choose this. So I'll choose any username that I want. So you can choose whatever username you want. Like you used it for your Instagram account or for other accounts, right? So I'm just going to click here, dz underscore, I just click dot, right? Okay, this green icon over here, the green tick icon over here shows that this username is available over here. So let's put this dz. Okay, and if there is no green icon over here, this username isn't available, right? So I'm going to put that back again, and it shows dz.guide is available. So when this is available, you will see a green icon over here and also a sign up icon over here. So just go and click on this sign up. Connect with contacts. I don't want to connect with my contacts right now, but if you want, you can do that. I just click on don't allow right now because I don't want that. And here is your, click on profile. Here your account has been created. At the first, it will show how many people you are following. In the second option, you will see how many followers you have, and the last like is thing that denotes how many likes you have got till date on your videos after adding your videos, right? So in this way, guys, you and I learned how to make a TikTok username using Gmail account. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like icon over there, and if you learned something, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can be updated about all the videos and see all the videos that I'm going to post in future. So in future, I'm going to post videos how to change the username, how to use filters, how to use different effects, for TikTok, right? And many other videos like this. So if you haven't subscribed my channel till date, go subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So till then, have a good day, have a good time. Bye bye.